problem number 2, it says the graph above shows the distance traveled d in feet by a product on a conveyor belt m minutes after the product is placed on the belt. Which of the following equations correctly relates d to m? Well, really, this is a linear graph, so it should look like y equals mx plus b. And let me make that look more like an x. So if I can find the slope, I notice that the origin is the y-intercept. So b equals the y-intercept, and this crosses at the point 0, 0. So I'm really dealing with a y equals mx type thing, except here's what's confusing. The slope, the variables are different. This is m, right? So x is m and d is y. So first let's figure out what the slope is. So the easiest way to estimate what the slope is try to find a point where my graph crosses right here, like in the crosshairs of the grid. And then another point where it seems to be crossing the crosshairs of the grid. So I think these 2 points are on the line, and I can clearly see where they cross at. Now the easiest way to find the answer is to remember that slope is just your rise over your run, or your up and over. So it's the rise over the run. So to get from this point to this point, I have to go up 1, 2. So that would be my rise, positive 2 because I'm going up 2. And then from here to get to here, I just go over 1. So my slope is 2 over 1, or just 2. And so since the slope is 2 over 1, the independent variable is m, so that's like the x. So what I'm really looking for is d is equal to 2 times m. Now what that means is that the distance traveled d of a product is 2 times each minute that product is on the conveyor belt. So my correct answer is A.